Oh, hey, buddy.
What's up, buddy?
Today, we're going to talk about the next project.
Oh, we're?
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I guess you earned it. So,
You're right. I did earn it. Yep.
So, I know I just got done doing a Woody.
Yeah, the lowrider.
But I had bought a parts box off of eBay.
Uh-huh.
And the person had this pretty much whole kit inside the box.
Okay.
And it's only missing like, a seat and some engine parts.
Whole kit.
So I said I might as well go ahead and hook this up.
Might as well.
Like I say, I know it's a Woody and I just got done doing a Woody. I like Woodies, but I wasn't planning on doing a Woody this fast. So I'm gonna just turn this one into like a rat ride. You know what I'm saying?
A what? What's a rat ride?
What's a rat ride? Kayla asked me the same thing.
Your daughter, Kayla?
Yeah, my daughter. And it went kind of like this.
What is this?
Shh. Quiet. Shh. Don't shush me. Shh. A rat ride is a style of hot rod or a custom car that in most cases imitates or exaggerates the early hot rods of the 1940s, 1950s, and early 60s.
Okay.
Yeah, you got it.
I got it.
So, that's what Wikipedia say. But
So what you say?
I would just say a rat rod is any car you put together yourself using all kind of, parts from all over. So, because I've seen some modern day rat rods and they look pretty nice, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna knock them. So, I don't know.
What year is this?
But anyway, this is a 32.
Okay. We're about to do a 32,
Yeah,
y'all.
we're about to do a 32. So like I was saying, pretty much all the pieces are there. So this ought to be a fun kit.
Oh yeah, we will have some fun
It's
on this.
still got the instructions in the box and
You don't
everything.
even use those.
It's just parts everywhere. I don't even think this goes to it, but
Yeah, that's a
totally different color. And yeah. So why is the box beat up?
That's just how the guy shipped it.
Like I say, this was just a parts box, and he put this in there.
Okay.
So whatever. But anyway, this is the engine that I'm gonna put in it.
You got a whole engine.
It's a Ross
for it.
Gibson.
Wow.
It's a Chevy, but I'm gonna throw it on there anyway because it's a rat rod.
Rat ride. I got
And
it.
yeah, this engine cost me a lot of money on eBay because they don't make these anymore.
How much money?
I'm not even gonna say how much it costs.
No, I won't say nothing.
Okay. It cost me a half a Bitcoin.
What?
But anyway, I also got this photo etch kit to go along with it.
Etch.
Even though the photo etch kit is for a monogram kit, and this is not a monogram.
Oh, it's not?
So the photo etch look nice and detailed. I probably won't use all these parts.
I know for a fact you're not
No.
going to use all those parts.
Just bits and pieces. You probably won't use any. Anyway, that about does it for this video.
Oh, it's time to go.
Like, subscribe,
I
comment,
will.
tell
I
your
do.
friends, tell everybody.
Always. Peace.
And peace.